Lady is going to rotate clockwise. Start with the right leg, left one, and place your left hand behind the man's neck. You want to end up with your left side to the man, and you can place your right palm on the man's chest or in his palm. From that point we're going into the dip, bend both knees, reach with the right leg backward, push off the left leg, shift your body weight onto the right leg, right knee is bent, lead your hips up to the ceiling and tilt your upper body backward while looking at the man. It's very important not to lean on the partner too much, try to stay within your own balance as much as you can, bend your knees, hips up, tilt your upper body backward, push off the right leg to get out of the pose. And now the man's perspective. During the last 3 steps in the shadow position, dance your 3 basic steps of waltz to end up behind the lady. End up standing on the left leg, raise your left hand above the lady's head, taking a step to the side with the right leg, connect your feet and place the lady's hand behind your neck using your left hand. Shift your body weight to the left leg, place your left palm on top of the lady's palm. Right hand is around the lady's back. Now bend your left knee, reaching with your right leg to the side. Then shift your body weight to the right leg. Notice that the right knee is bent all the time and tilt your upper body to the right side. To get out of the pose, push off the right leg, shifting your body weight onto the left leg. At the same time, rotate your body counterclockwise, leading the lady around yourself. Stay on your left leg, waiting for the lady to dance around you. 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3,